Hi guys, today's we are cleaning air flow sensor using air flow cleaning sensor. We're going to clean air mass flow sensor. So to do that, disconnect. I already little maybe loosen it, but just open this using T20. So that's the part need cleaning and inside there. So it's best to use only recommended this air flow sensor cleaner. Don't use anything else on this sensor, it's very sensitive. So this is the specially made for this, only to clean airflow sensor. So just and wait until it's get dry itself and then only install. So after the cleaning, it's going in. It's going in this way. I was putting wrong way, so sensor goes downward. So that's it. Tighten the screw 1 and 2. Connect. That's it. Make sure you clean it with the cleaner properly.